Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is January 27th of 2021, and today we are going to look at Bitcoin, its current move, where it could be headed, what it's going to be like with the rest of the market. Chainlink, obviously, we do every day, 5 days a week. We do your daily updates. We're going to look at Ethereum and examine those moves a little bit more and compare it to Ethereum once again, because I believe that Chainlink is one market cycle behind Ethereum, and if we look at Ethereum, it kind of tells us the future of Chainlink, in my opinion. So we'll go ahead and get started. If you've noticed here, I have drawn a bull flag. This is on the daily chart for Bitcoin. This is dating back to December, before December, mid-December. So this is the flagpole. You draw your flag up. This is textbook bull flag so far. So far, so good. Now, if we drop too far out of this and start closing candles down, this would be invalidated. So we'll look for that. But in the meantime, we're coming to a decision point here. If this is a true bull flag, look, by the end of this month, within the next week or so, we should make a move. If we start breaking up out of this, you draw your bull flag on a log scale. So things change. You get this dimension, measure it straight down, and that will give you a projection for where the next move is. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to go straight up like this. It just means this is probably the likely next local top area. So that's why the bigger circles. It could go anywhere in here on average. But, I mean, the center of that is just shy of $55,000. And usually the next move will last a little bit longer and a little bit more shallow than this. So this was about a month. So maybe another 45 days, which puts you out in the first, second week of March. Which, if you watched our video yesterday, I also am calling for a kind of a link rally around that same time. So it kind of makes sense to me. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. Like I said, if this breaks out of here and closes down, then that invalidates this whole bull flag, but right now it's a textbook looking like. And you also might be wondering, you said this has to be the same length as this, and you could see that this is clearly not the same length as that. But if you watch on a log scale, this will change. Notice it getting a little bit longer. It's because log scale changes over time. And now you can see straight down, we're at the exact same bottom as over here, which is our previous breakout top. That's how you do it. So you break this wherever we break out. So if we break out tomorrow or next week or whatever, it's right here, which would put our target a little bit higher. If you break out right at the end of this, a little bit lower, but you can see generally it's mid 53 to $56,000-$57,000. Food for thought. Let's go ahead. We'll also want to point out, this is our 21-day moving average. We would want to bounce off of this green line over maybe right in this area, first week of February. If we continue to go down and we bounce, that is a great sign. We will continue a power move back up, and this will likely be confirmed as a bull flag, and we will be shooting up rather quickly. If, however, this yellow line crosses this green line, that is not great news. So we have to look for that. Now, we could also pull one of these little fake outs. So you gotta watch. You gotta watch for when this happens. I'll get on, and you can. I'll keep you updated. We do videos 5 days a week, but this could be a fake out if this happens. It has to cross with certainty. If it shallow crosses like this, that's a sign that it could be a fake out. So we want, if this crosses down, we want a solid a dive. The more solid you can break through a line, the more affirmation you get, so to speak. So see this dive down? I mean, that's a dive. These little crosses, these little shallow crosses aren't going to cut it. So this could be a fake out. So we'll look for this. Again, like I said, we're here every day. So I'll be here all through this rest of this bull market. I'll try to alert you for anything major I see in the charts. So please like and subscribe. That's all I'll ever ask from you. I have nothing to sell you. Everything here is free. I do this full time, 5 days a week, at least 2 live streams additional to that. So we're essentially are making at least 7 videos a week now. So Ethereum, I'm going to keep harping on this until you guys see what I'm trying to show you here. Ethereum's, no, this is back in 2017 when Ethereum made its first big move out of its local high, which was 420s, mid 420s. It took 2 weeks, this is on the weekly now, 2 weeks of playing up for $100 moves. That would be huge. If 20% moves in 2 week spans, this would shake a lot of people out, right? 20% moves up and down for 2 straight weeks. That's exactly what we're doing with Link. You can't get discouraged and get shaken out. If you're thinking about trading or selling or buying or whatever, just remember, like, what's easier to sail a boat in perfectly sunny weather and everything's nice out, or a hurricane's coming and tidal waves? Usually it's smarter to batten down the hatches and do nothing. DDS. Don't do squat. When the bad stuff is around, you gotta just hold your hands. This is not anything terrible right now. Unlikely that we're gonna see this. This only a crash back down here would mean Bitcoin is correcting to the 21 week quickly. Which, if you know me, I don't think that's happening. We shall see soon enough though, right? So watch for this. This is our all-time high, which was, we just broke out of it 2 weeks ago, guys. It's, you guys got to understand that Link is the best performing coin out of 4,000 coins. It was #1 last year. I think it'll be #1 this year. Maybe we'll get Polkadot or some other project out of the backwoods just making one of these, and we'll see. I think Link and Polkadot and Ethereum, they all have great potential in this bull market. Just hold tight. These moves are meant to shake you out before the next liftoff. So that's my 2 cents for today. Car of the day is Dodge Viper GTS. Pretty sweet. Leave you real pictures right here. And our quote of the day. I am going to do a live stream this afternoon. Maybe 1, 2 o'clock. I'll let you know. I'll kind of tweet it out or whatever. But just look for it. If you want to join, awesome. If not, I'll see you right back here tomorrow. We'll have another update. Thanks so much.